right, you two, listen up. We got a couple packages in the mail, all right, from StyleCraft. We got some from, I want to say I know who this person is. Dang. It'll be on the screen, all right, with this person. But we got 2 packages from StyleCraft and another one I want to say I know what it is, but yeah. All right, let's open it up. All right, StyleCraft, some bag of some sort. All right, it's a bag. Want to say it's a little traveler's bag to where you can put your clippers in. Most likely that's what it is. Open it up. All right, finally. All right, you see what it is. You put your clippers in here. StyleCraft got a mirror right here where you can show your clients what they look like. Put all your stuff in here. Dope little bag if you're on the go. Let's open this next one. All right, next box. Don't open boxes like me either. Like when you see me open the boxes, don't really open them up like me. All right, got another box. A box within a box. Okay, we got to open up another box right here. Hold on, be patient with me. All right. Ooh, got some liners. Hey, what kind of liners are these? Got this blade though. This new StyleCraft diamond blade. That's what I'm called. Hey, it is a diamond blade. That's crazy. This new StyleCraft diamond blade. And then you got your sabers. I really want to know what the difference is between the one. Oh, these are smaller or something. Hold on, let me get my other one and compare. All right, so we got these original sabers right here. What is the difference? I want to say they're smaller. Yeah, it looked like it got a smaller head on this one. All right, let's go. Boom. These are like good for designs in those tight areas where like they have that vertical bar where it's basically right there on their eyebrow. This is good for that. It's a tighter blade. Let me show you the difference real quick. All right, see the difference? Fatter blade on one, skinnier blade. Basically the same clipper though, same trimmer. Basically the same, just different heads to it. Oh no, this one sounds like it got a little bit more power. This one got a little bit more vibration in my hand right now. It's feeling like it's a little bit more, but I don't know. You never know, man. But yeah, these are the sabers. This is what I got in the mail. I got one more thing to open. Hold on. All right, we got this last one in the mail. I want to say this one comes from the Lady Barber on Instagram. She hit me up. She basically has like a clothing brand. All right, now. Basically has a clothing brand. It was pretty dope. She hit me up and showed me, and yeah, I like what I seen. Got these stacked sweats right here. Got the sweater right here. With the puff print on the back, pretty clean. Probably gonna wear this tomorrow. Protect the brand, it says on the back. All right, but that's what I got in the mail. Shout out to the Lady Barber on Instagram for sending me this. I appreciate it. Stay tuned.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is you want to grab your comb the hair out. What this does, it lifts the hair off the scalp, making it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blade. So my client gave me a list of instructions, and as a waiver, we kind of want a lot, but it's really not a lot if you just pay attention to it. So my client basically wanted a 2 all the way around and a 3 on the crown. All right, that means they want to keep their crown area thicker. That way they want to develop waves in that area. So what I do, I went ahead and grabbed my StyleCraft Instincts with the 2 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm going with the grain of his pattern. Also, I'm staying away from his crown as much as possible. So when dealing with his crown, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna comb it out and then go with the grain using my 3 guard with the lever fully closed. So after I take it down to a length where my client wants, I'm gonna do a slight brush session using my 360GZ V1. You can pick this up at www.360gz.com. This version is the matte black version, and you can get it on the website right now. So when it comes to any client that has waves, most likely they're gonna wanna low taper, all right? So the first thing I do is I set in my bald line right there at the crease of the ear, and my whole mentality is not to go too far up using my guidelines. Using my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully open, I'm going up about 1/4 the way, all right? I'm not going up too high. I wanna make sure that this is as low as possible, and I'm going over the guidelines multiple times to make sure it's at that length. So with the 1 guard, with the lever fully open, I'm going up that same width, 1/4, and I'm brushing down as I go, all right? Now, as I'm going up, I'm not gonna really focus on that bulk at the top. Soon as I get it down to that 1 length, I'm basically gonna work my way back down to take out those guidelines. So next step, all I did was close that lever on that 1 guard and just gonna use my corners to soften up that middle line. Next, putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed, same thing, all right? You're gonna flick out that middle line, making sure you start below the line, flick to the line, and make sure that you know the direction of where the hair is growing, all right? Not every time hair grows straight up and down. So sometimes you're gonna have to go sideways to get it down to that length. So sometimes that 0 guard can't take out that middle line. I'll just come behind it with the lever open and just detail that area and get in those areas where I see bulk. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now it's gonna be tight in an area where it's really small. So make sure you go little by little. Don't go all the way up. Don't flick, with a wide motion. Just kind of work in that little space as much as you can. Last but not least, what you want to do is detail work. Detailing is extremely important because it separates you from just being an average barber, all right? What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, if you don't have access to a mirror, rest your eyes. Give your eyes something else to look at, take a break, come back to the blend. It doesn't have to take long, but just go in those areas where you see bulk, use those corners of the blade, and just perfect the blend as much as possible. As far as the taper in the back, I use the same exact steps. I go on with my bald line, then I'll go with my lever open, come behind that with the 1 guard open, and then I'll stop there and start blending down. Close the lever on that 1 guard and soften it up, then take it out with the 0 guard closed. Then I'll work at the bottom with my lever closed, all right? Then I'll start worrying about the bulk that's on the top, all right? Taking my 2 guard, kind of making sure that I get that down to a perfect length. Then last but not least, detail work. So I like to prep my front line by spraying some hairspray all around my client's lineup. That way it locks in the hair so that when I do glow line it, the hair stays in place. last but not least, I like to end my cuts with a freehand trim. As a waver, we all like to have that flat look, so you don't want any hair sticking up. You really want to cut all the straggly hairs down, and I do that by setting the lever fully closed and just running the clipper on the top of the head, making sure I actually pay attention to what I'm doing and not dipping in. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Make sure you guys smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. Some more videos to come. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here.